Well, Wooly here. Guys, I'm back down at this winter shelter build. I got my tarps and all here. There's not a lot more to do to it, believe it or not. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to build up the sides a little bit more. Okay, a little bit more in the back, and I'm going to tarp over the top. Hopefully I'll get that all done today, guys, and then I just have to put a bed into it. Couple of different designs, couple of different thoughts on the bed that we'll get into along the way as well, okay? So stay tuned, you filthy animals. Yeah, guys, so that's the basic design. That's it. All I got to do is just raise up the sides a little bit more. I have a couple of other different bits and pieces to do to it. So when it comes to the bed, now this is my options with the bed. So I actually have a couple of pallet beds in Red Branch that I use for various groups and stuff. So I might just to sort of get me out in it quicker. I might, instead of building a raised bed out of timber and stuff, I might just put a pallet into it, you know, raise it up maybe on 2 sticks, put it in, you know, Bob's your uncle, all ready to rock. So guys, I'm going to get some sticks and I'm going to get started, okay? Right, so I got a fair bit sorted there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start getting these sides built up a wee bit higher, and then yeah, I'm just going to go and do stuff. I'm not going to overthink this, I'm just going to do stuff. I've actually gone up as far as the bit on the back there. So what I might have to do next, guys, is I might actually have to hammer in something on the inside here, maybe along here, hammer in a pole, a bracing pole that goes up as far as here, so then I can work my next couple of uprights off. I can tie them onto that, if that makes sense, guys. It's fast forward time. So, even though it is ridiculously dark, guys, it's just gone 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's just gone 2:30 in the afternoon, and see how dark it is, guys. I know some of you are talking about how good my lighting was in the last one I did down here, but hey, listen, I had a sunny day. So, right, where are we up there? What was he pointing at? Good. So I have these extra bits, guys. So I have these like pieces of wood that are a little bit, they're not really good. Well, it's not that they're not good, that's the wrong word. So they're not great is probably a better way to put it. Okay, so what I'm doing with these not so great pieces is I'm doubling up the back wall. Okay, now just because I can, I have all these pieces, they're lying here, they're not really doing anything, so by filling in, that's not really doing anything yet, by filling in the back wall, it just sort of closes up air gaps. But I am going to put pine needles on it as well. Okay, so if that makes sense. So see, genius, I'm a bloody genius, bloody genius, right? Guys, the sun's going down. That's when the vampires come out. Good dog, Bruno. So I need to be out of here before sundown. So what Right, okay, we're getting there. Okay, as you can see, guys, we suddenly have been faced with a lot of darkness, okay? Suddenly has gone from being like daylight to darkness. I just nearly stuck the knife through the roof. Okay, guys, you see the difference that makes? It's not even tied down properly yet. It's just sort of half and half all over the place. So because I'm having the tension stuff and untension stuff to get it out, because what you can see, guys, is that this bit is actually in on the inside here. Okay, so this is underneath. So what I need to do is I need to go down to the back of that. Jeez, might as well come with me. Look at Cooter, look at me guard dog there. Good dog, Cooter. I don't know if you noticed in the first video, guys, I did a big fast forward bit and Cooter was just Cooter barely moved. Cooter barely moved for the whole thing. Okay. So this is not tied down. So what I need to do, guys, and this is the great thing about these tarps, is that I can just pull it round this tree and tie this bit down. Okay, tie this bit here down and then tie this bit down as well. Okay, so
He's walking past me and then it whacked me in the face.
he whacked you in the face with the stick.
Yeah.
Good dog.
Like, today.
Guys, come on out here. You're not in here listening to all this madness. Okay, so I am probably going to leave that for today. So I'm going to leave that there for today, guys. We're losing the light. Looks like there's snow coming in, but
Yay.
I don't know. We're losing the light. We've been at this for an hour, so it's good progress, guys. Good progress, and we're getting ready. I didn't get the bed put in, so let's look. I didn't get the bed put in, and I do need to build up the sides a wee bit more. But guys, it's pretty good. Now, here's the excellent thing about these tarps, guys, is that they have tie points the whole way across. So it's very easy to get them tied down and get them tensioned out and stuff like that as well. So guys, it's gotten cold, it's getting dark. We'll leave it there.
Survival
Stay frosty.
situation.
Thanks for watching.